So, what's it like getting the COVID-19 vaccine? Well, I'm about to share my experience with all of you. Tomorrow, I'm going to be getting my first shot of the COVID-19 vaccination. Now, I wanted to document my experience and share it with all of you so you have some sort of an idea of what to expect. Now, normally this channel is about my travel and my photography, and I also share with you guys some of the ways how I pay for all that travel. So please, before we go any further, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you get updates about this channel. Also, check out patreon.com/EWJ to see my bonus content. Okay, before we go any further, a couple of disclaimers. I am not a doctor, so please consult your personal doctor before getting the vaccine to answer any questions or concerns that you may have. I can't answer them for you. I am not encouraging you to get the COVID-19 vaccine. I am just simply sharing my experience. I understand that for some odd reason, there may be some people out there thinking that getting the vaccine is some type of political statement. All right, whatever. Keep your political statements off my channel. There are plenty of other forums focused on political statements. This channel is not one of them. Your experience with the vaccine is probably going to be different from mine. Again, I am just sharing my experience. So I'm not encouraging you to get the vaccine. I am not a doctor. I am not endorsing any one of the vaccines. And again, it is your choice. I am not pushing this on you guys. I am just merely sharing what I'm going to be going through. Okay, now that we've got the legal stuff out of the way, why am I getting the vaccine? Well, first of all, I work in very close daily contact with people who are considered high priority. Some of them are medical professionals, and I support these people. So because of my direct daily interaction with each one of them, I've been put into a higher tier to get the vaccine than most people in my age group, which is fine. That's why I've been flagged to get it. Now, this is the night before my first shot. So just to let you guys know, I'm healthy with the exception of the fact I am on an antibiotic for an infection that I caught a few days ago, doing really great with it. And the doctor cleared me to go ahead and proceed because my immune system is not being suppressed in any way. So we're going to go ahead and move forward with the first shot tomorrow. Am I concerned about getting the vaccine? A little. Am I more concerned about getting COVID and having to deal with both the short and the long-term effects of it? Even more so. For privacy reasons, I can't film me actually getting the shot because there will be other people there. So what I'll do is I'm going to come back on camera tomorrow as soon as I get back home from work, and I will start documenting out the experience for all of you. I am going to be sharing any side effects that I get from it. But again, remember, anything that you guys see as we proceed in this video, it's the effects as there are for me. Your effects may be different. So again, I am not encouraging you to get the vaccine. I'm not endorsing any vaccines. And I encourage you, if you are thinking about it, to first consult your doctor. Getting the vaccine is 100% on you, not on me. All right. So it's been 6 hours since I got the first shot, got it here. Only side effect is just a little soreness right here. Probably should have done it in this arm since I'm right-handed, but anyhow, remember that for next time. All right, so they also gave us our CDC card, or Center for Disease Control card, showing that we've been vaccinated. Need to use this one more time when I get the second dose, so I am going to keep it here behind the passport, because I think that's probably where I'm going to be needing it the most. But the other thing I'm going to do is once I get the second endorsement on it, saying I finished the whole 2-shot treatment, I'm going to laminate the card, so just to preserve it. We don't know how long we're going to be needing these cards, so that might be something for you guys to think about. But if I have any more bad side effects, I'll let you guys know. A buddy of mine who got it a couple days ago is complaining about some fatigue, and another friend of mine, she's a nurse. When she got hers, she said about day 5 to 6 is when some fatigue hit hers. So we'll see, and I'll let you guys know. We are now on day 2, and I am actually heading out to a photo shoot right now. But I'll be honest, not feeling that great. So last night about midnight, woke up with some congestion, with a headache, took a little leave, got rid of the congestion, had the headache most of the day. Most of the people I work with were complaining of the headache, and right now I'm starting to really battle the fatigue. But this is also a rare sunny day this time of the year, and I'm going to take advantage of it. That's why I'm heading out to do a photo shoot. So that's what's happening. COVID shot, day 2. All right, everybody, it has been about 28 days since I had the first shot. And I'll tell you, in that time frame, I did manage to get sick, but nothing from the actual COVID shot. It was an infection. Almost finished treatment for it, and my doctor did clear me for tomorrow, which is when I'm getting the second shot. Now, they handed out some information to us that, again, we're getting the Moderna, whatever, that one. They're saying there is some reports that people are feeling for about 24 to 36 hours like they have the flu. And just to remind us, we don't actually have the flu. It's just our body making the response it needs to the actual vaccine. So excited to get it tomorrow, so we'll see what happens. Well, it is day 2 after the second COVID shot. Ow, definitely a little sore there. And weird thing, first of all, a little fatigue, but I almost feel like there's weights on my arms and legs. But other than that, no problems. And just like that, done. The second shot for me, anyhow, was actually a lot easier than the first shot. I didn't get any flu-like symptoms, so I guess I'm one of the lucky ones. Got my CDC card, going in with my passport, which is good because I'm already in discussions for trips out to Canada, Japan, and South Korea right now. And I got a gut feeling I'm going to need that card to prove that I've been vaccinated. So hopefully this gives you guys a little bit of insight on what it's like to get the COVID-19 vaccination. Remember, your experience is going to be different than mine. And of course, always consult your doctor before doing any medical procedure. I'm not endorsing that you do this. I'm just sharing my experience with you guys. Thank you for watching, and if you guys can, remember to open your hearts and your homes to a shelter animal need, and if you can't, please consider donating to your local animal shelter. Take care, everybody, and I'll see you somewhere around the world. I can be